Welcome to Polished by Tesia. Today I will be showing you how I achieve these medium knotless braids.
You know I shine on them, I spray sheen on them. That's worth the Southside, Jamaica Queens on them. I'm mad Queens on them.
I'm using 12 packs of Bobby Boss braiding hair. This hair does not come pre-stretched, just the way I like it. I just feel like doing it this way, the braids come out much more consistent from beginning to end. After I pre-stretch the hair, I'm going to add the same amount of pieces of braiding hair on my braiding rack. So she wanted a little bit of red highlights throughout her head, so I'm just showing you that I'm doing the same exact thing with the red too, but I'm putting it on another rack just to keep my space a little organized. With every client, I like to work in sections, so I always part down the middle and behind the ears and clip each section as I go. I'm going to start parting out a straight line, starting at the top of her ears. This will determine how many rows of braids I'm going to have in the back. I usually have 2 rows for the medium braids. Now I'm adding a little bit of gel to her hair and then parting again to make my part a little bit more crispy. This is an old video, so I don't know if I'm using a Shine and Jam or EBN Edge Control, but both of those gels is great to start off with. I'm going to map out 3 braids for the last row and twist. I twist to see where my braid is going to lay. When I'm starting the braid, I'm going to add a little bit more gel and comb the section to smooth the hair out, and then divide the hair in 3 strands with her natural hair first. And then I'm going to turn my middle and right strand, and then hopefully you can go forward to see quite a few braids that I'm doing that I think I'm doing in slow motion, but you know, when you get the gist of things, you think you're going slow, but you're really actually going fast. So let me know if I'm going too fast or if I need to do another video in the future. each row should look like, and this saves me so much time. After dipping the braids, I'm going to start cutting the ends. I hate the fact that it looks like I'm barely even cutting anything, but I am. This process makes a huge difference. Now the mousse part. I think this is everyone's favorite part because it feels so good. But the mousse is definitely important because it adds moisture and relieves some of the tension from the braids. really hope you enjoyed this video. Most importantly, learned something throughout this video.